Ang ginagawa ng Chinese Embassy, tagging me personally dito sa mga social media posting nila, basically challenges our own transparency initiative. Every time that we post incidents, no, na inilalabas natin as press releases, immediately you can count 1, 2, 3 hours, may sagot agad sila. So this kind of approach of the Chinese Embassy, obviously, models and diverts real issues. No? Ang imbis na pag-usapan natin yung mga violation nila, aggression nila, tila nililito lang nila tayo. And this is their strategy to counter how we provide the right information to the Filipino people and to the international community, and also divide public opinion as well.
Ang atake sa opisyal na kagaya mo ay hindi atake sa iyo, personal, kundi atake sa paninindigan at pangangatawan ng ating bansa.
Well, we can fairly say so because again, the press releases that I release to the international community, to the Filipino people, these are all validated. No? Meron tayo laging resibo. So it is not me being attacked personally, but our messaging, our public messaging as to how we provide the right information when it comes to those incidents that happen sa West Philippines.